Tree Cutting and Trimming Nesconset. Welcome to Tree Cutting and Trimming Nesconset. We provide multiple services including removal of tree stumps and dead trees. Removing tree stumps and dead trees is an excellent way to restore the beauty of your home. However, it can be a complicated exercise because it involves special tools and skills. Finding the right tree stump removal company can be quite frustrating, especially if there are many such service providers in your area. Below are critical factors to consider when looking for tree removal services. Credentials. Tree removal is a profession on its own, so firms offering these services should be licensed. Additionally, these firms need to have insurance coverage for their employees. Although accidents are rare, they can sometimes happen during tree removal activities. In case the tree removal firm you hire doesn't have insurance coverage, you will be responsible for all injuries that could occur on your premises. You surely don't want to incur such unnecessary costs, so obtain proof of insurance and other credentials before you hire any company. Experience. Tree stump removal requires some level of experience. How long has the company been in business? What evidence is there to back their claims? Experienced tree removal companies are aware of all the existing rules and regulations in a given area. For instance, removing a tree from a private property may need permission from local authorities. Individuals with the right knowledge and skills will get the job done professionally without violating any laws. Equipment. Tree stump removal is a risky and delicate activity, so it is important to use the right equipment. With a proper set of tools and equipment in place, the removal process will be a breeze. It is, therefore, important to work with companies that use modern equipment. Although manual removal is a great option, it is not the best approach to take because it may consume a lot of time. The method also compromises the safety of individuals involved. The tree removal company you hire should have the right protective gear for their employees. Employing these safety precautions not only keeps the workers safe but also shows how much the company values their job. Reputation. Service pricing of different companies will vary, the same applies to the quality of services. When looking for tree removal service, value for your money is a crucial factor. The reputation of a company will be an excellent way of determining what to expect. What do previous clients say about the services offered? The reviews you read on their website will tell you more about the company you want to hire. Service range. Trees are known for their aesthetic value, which is something every homeowner wants. At some point, you will need tree and shrub trimming services to keep your property tidy. Some companies offer a limited range of services, which might not work for your needs. Compare the range of services offered by different firms and choose one that's likely to meet your unique list of priorities. Although the main agenda is tree stump removal, companies with a wide range of services will have something extra to offer. Remember, trees grow at different rates, with 3 to 5 years being the best trimming timelines. As such, you should have a reliable company in mind that you can always count on when it comes to tree removal. Referrals. Word of mouth is a great way of identifying a reputable company. Close family members, friends, and coworkers are a good source of information. Ask about their experiences with tree stump removal companies and the quality of services offered. Online reviews, on the other hand, are a reliable source of information. These reviews allow you to have access to a broad range of information such as cheap tree services. It is wise to use the experience of people you trust to make a well-informed decision. Final word. Overgrown trees can negatively impact the growth of other plants in your garden. Similarly, dead trees and stumps compromise the value of your property. The best way to deal with such a problem is seeking the help of a tree removal company. Contact us today if you are looking for top quality tree stump removal services. For more information, please visit our website, www.branchingoutme.com. Or contact us through phone, 631-980-4602. You can visit our office, 3 Nesconset Avenue No. 659, Nesconset, New York 11767, United States. Tree Cutting and Trimming Nesconset.